We had an early start with 2 girls from the hostel, and now we are trying to get to San Martín, Laguna Chicabal. From there we want to hike up to the lagoon, which is apparently sacred for the locals. We are running around the city trying to get the transport to there, which doesn't seem to be that easy at this time of the day, and especially on Sunday. We are on the market close to the terminal. It's not particularly clean, but you can definitely buy everything here. Chickens, close to jeans, but like everything, really.
Everything.
It's not presented in a very stylish way. What then they do with the rubbish? They just burn it.
Yeah, I think so.
Well, we saw it. Hi, we are getting to the main terminal, and this is how it welcomes us. Yummy! Finally, and we are going at a tremendous speed, as you can see. Therefore, I don't think we are going to be able to see anything at all, because it's going to cloud up very soon. Well, it's probably already cloud up. That's why people started at 5, 6 a.m. and it's already 9 and we haven't even got there. So it's going to be just a walk without the view, and just an experience of doing it yourself instead of just being on a tour, and enjoying the local transport of Guatemala. Really an experience. The journey continues, the splendid music as well. Today is Sunday, therefore there was no combis, the small buses, which might be a bit more comfortable and faster than the bus we took. I can't believe it took us 3 hours between we left the hostel and actually when we are starting to get closer to the lagoon. Chicabal. We got a ride on someone's pickup, but I think he forgot we are here. Yes, bumpy. The girls are laughing because it's their first time they are sitting in such a thing. The car is doing all the work for us. We are not easy for the car either. I wonder if I can get a coffee on the way. So it was 50 quetzals. The guy didn't want to give us the local rate. He didn't believe we could come from here. So we're starting the hike. Oh,